So first one, name any 6 points. Usually we use a point to represent the exact location. So here a point is represented by the capital letters. Here we are having so many capital letters. These all are the points. So we have to write only 6 points only. So I am writing. So A is 1 point, B is 1 point, C is 1 point, D is 1 point, E is 1 point, and F is 1 point. So for easy understanding, I am writing A is 1 point, B is 1 point, C is 1 point, and D is 1 point, E is 1 point, and F is 1 point. So second one, so name any 5 line segments. So what is meant by line segment? A line segment is a part of a line having 2 endpoints, and we can measure the length of the line segments. So now there are so many line segments is there. So 2 endpoints A and B. So these are 2 endpoints. So this is one line segment CD. CD is one line segment. XY is one line segment. And EF is one line segment. MN, GH, PQ. Those all are the line segments only. Now we have to write only 5 line segments. So now I am writing AB is one line segment, CD is one line segment, MN is one line segment, PQ is one line segment, and EF is one line segment. So GH, so line represented by line segment is, this is the symbol of line segment. So name any 4 rays. So what is meant by ray? So a ray is a part of a line only. So it begins at a fixed point and goes on so endlessly. So it is having no end point, so that we can't measure the length of the ray. So in this diagram, so we have to represent a point. So example I am taking. ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ ఉండి ఒక యారో మార్క్ ఉంటే దాన్ని మనము ఒక రేగా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇక్కడ మనము M ఈజ్ ఏ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్, స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోస్ ఆన్ ఎండ్లెస్లీ and it is goes on only. So I can represent MB is one ray, and I can also take P also. PB is also one ray, and QD is also one ray, and NC is also one ray, MA is also one ray, but XY is not a ray. There is no arrow marks. So XY you can say that it is a line segment. So MF is one ray, and NF it is also one ray, QH is one ray, and QG is one ray, PZ is one ray. So now I am writing 4 rays. So I am writing here QD. So QD is one ray, and here XA is one ray, and YC is also one ray, and ME is also one ray, and PG is also one ray. So these are the 5 rays. So name any 4 lines. Fourth one. So now we have to know what about a line. So a line is a set of collinear points. Collinear points ante enti? 3 or more points lie on the same line. We can call it as a collinear points. So it is having, a line is not having any curves, and it is extended limitlessly in opposite directions. So that is the definition of a line. So in this diagram we have to find out lines. సో ఈ డయాగ్రామ్లో ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి అంటే 2 arrow marks, that is opposite directions. So we have to represent AB is one line and CD is one line. So it is going on in opposite directions. it is having set of collinear points C, Y, N, Q, D. So these 5 points are on the same line. So these are the collinear points. And EF is one line and GH is one line. So how many lines we are having? XY is not a line because it is not having any arrow marks, and it is a fixed distance. X and Y is a fixed distance. It is a line segments. So now we have to write the lines. AC is one line. EF is one line. GH is one line. CD is also one line. Now fifth one, any 4 collinear points. So what is meant by collinear points? 3 or more points on the same line, we can call it as a collinear points. So we have to represent here A, X, M, P and B. Those all are on the same line. So we can say that these are the collinear points, and we can take it as G, P, Q and H. These are also on the same line. So these are collinear points. C, Y, N, Q, D. These are also collinear points. And E, M, N, F. These are also collinear points. Those are on the same line only. So now we have to write the collinear points. So first I am writing E, M, N, F. These are the set of collinear points. And G, P, Q, H. So next C, Y, N, Q, D. So this is one set point. So A, X, M, P, B. This is one set of collinear points. So second bit, observe the following figures and identify the type of an angle. So in the first figure, so the angle is starting from the here and it is crossed 180 degrees. So a straight line, it is a 180 degrees. So it is crossing the straight line. So it is in between the 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So it is a reflex angle. So the second one, so the angle between a perpendicular lines. So the angle between a perpendicular lines must be a 90 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle. So third one, so the angle between these two rays, so it is a small angle. So it is less than 90 degrees. So the angle between them is an acute angle. So third bit, true or false. So first one, a ray has no end points. Yes, a ray ki oka end point undadu. It is starting point untundi kani end point undadu ray ki. So it is true only. Yes. Second one, line AB is same as line BA. Line AB ni manam BA ga kuda raskovachu. So it is true. So third one, a ray AB is same as the ray BA. So here I am taking an example. So ray is starting from the point A and it is going on a direction B direction. So how to represent this one? AB. So now I am taking BA. So B is not the starting point. So we cannot write BA and AB are same. So those are different. A line has a definite length. అంటే మనం ఒక లైన్ యొక్క లెంత్ని మెజర్ చేయగలము అని క్వశ్చన్. మనం లైన్ యొక్క లెంత్ని మెజర్ చేయగలమా? మెజర్ చేయలేము. ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్స్ ఎండ్లెస్లీ. సో వీ కెనాట్ మెజర్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద line. So fifth one, a plane has length, breadth but no thickness. Yes, plane ki length breadth ఉంటుంది కానీ thickness అనేది ఉండదు. So sixth one, two distinct points always determine a unique line. Two distinct points ante, so I am taking an example. Two distinct points A and B. సో ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో నుంచి ఒకే ఒక లైన్ మాత్రమే వెళ్తుంది అనేది క్వశ్చన్. ఎస్, ఒకే ఒక లైన్ మాత్రమే వెళ్తుంది. టూ డిస్టింక్ట్ పాయింట్స్ ఏబి మధ్యలో నుంచి ఒకే ఒక లైన్ వెళ్తుంది. ఏ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఎన్ని లైన్స్ అయినా వెళ్ళొచ్చు, కానీ బి పాయింట్ నుంచి కూడా ఎన్ని లైన్స్ అయినా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. కానీ ఏబి అనే 2 పాయింట్స్ మధ్యలో నుంచి ఓన్లీ ఒకే ఒక యూనిక్ లైన్ వెళ్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ అండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్, 2 lines may intersect in 2 points. 2 lines may intersect in 2 points. So I am taking an example. So this is one line and this is one line. So 2 lines may intersect at one point only. So this is false. 2 lines may intersect in 2 points. 2 lines may intersect at one point only. So this is false. Seventh one, 2 intersecting lines cannot both be parallel to the same line. So they are intersecting lines. So how can they are parallel? So they cannot be parallel to the same line. So it is true only. So in this problem we have to measure the angle between the two hands of a clock, that is minute hand and hour hand. So minute hand and hour hand, it is starting rotation from 12 o'clock. So it is for the full rotation it is making 360 degrees. So for the 12 hours it is making 360 degrees. For 1 hour it is making 360 by 12, so 30 degrees. So when the minute hand is at 12 o'clock and the hour hand is at 1, so the angle between them is 30 degrees. So 30 degrees. So now we go for the first one. So when the time is 9 o'clock, so that means 9 hours. So 9 into 1 hour it is making 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So 9 3s are 27. So 270 degrees it is making at 9 o'clock. Okay. So second one, 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock means from our hand it is starting from the 12 and it is up to here moving from 12 to 6. So it is making 6 hours. So for 1 hour it is making 30 degrees. For 6 hours it is making 180 degrees. By seeing only we can see that. So it is a straight angle. So it is forming 180 degrees. So third one, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock means from 12 to 7 it is making 7 hours. So 7 hours it is taking. So for 1 hour it is making 30 degrees. For 7 hours it is making 210 degrees.